All right, so we've been a little slow on getting stuff posted. It's been super busy with work. Got some cabinets ordered off Tumu. Depending on how, I'll show you regardless, but I'll give my recommendations on them. I'm not finished with the siding of my walls or the roof, so I'm going to temporarily hang these, and I'm going to try to be prepared for once for a kayak fishing tournament, right? Coming up on Sam Rayburn. With some riv nut screws, and this is a riv nut screw if you don't know. And I've got a riv nut tool right here where you open that up and squeeze these little threaded inserts. So we're going to get this thing tightened down and get the door on it. All right, it's installed. I got the door on. You see, because I haven't squared up my walls, there's a little bit of a crook in it, but when you're using it while you build it, you sometimes don't have a choice. And so, but yeah, Temu, I think she spent $30 on this one, or she got me two like this. K-Mac Outdoors did. Trying to be organized, trying to do good for Texas Bass Nation at Rayburn, and then Tackle Shack at Rayburn 2 weeks later. So wish me luck. All right, later than we wanted to, but we are on the road headed out to Sam Rayburn. Get us a little practice. Probably camping at Hanks Creek Park. I'll got my launch today from Monterey, which is close to the 147 bridge. Check out a couple spots there. Tomorrow I'll launch from Hanks Creek Park and check out that, and hopefully between the two we find us a good spot. We got 2 hours left. I'm going to go ahead and fill up. I don't know how I don't know how cheap or inexpensive the gas is going to be out there compared to here in Conroe, so I'm gonna go ahead and get filled up. Well, no, I can make that round trip off one tank, so. But I learned my lesson at OHIV not to push it, so we're not gonna do that again. All right, we've made it to Zavala. Berkshire Brothers, go get us some groceries. Probably better lock this. My remote doesn't work ever since I fell in the lake. It's getting nasty on us quick. She's blowing in. Look at them pines moving. They're like they launching cones at me. Oh man, the rain done run us out from outside. We weren't finished setting anything. It wasn't supposed to even rain. That's Texas for you. 0% chance today. Coming down though. Love the sound of rain though. I hope it rains tonight, dude. That'll make my air conditioner like hardly have any struggles whatsoever. I might not even run it tonight if it does rain all night. So outside wishing it had waited about 30 minutes, 40 minutes for me to finish setting up camp. Love it. Can't really see how well this is going to go. I'm just going to reheat some tamales on the gas burner. And a little butter in there just to keep them from sticking. I'm going to leave them in the corn tortilla. And force how many fits. That's what we'll do. Wish I had a lid to cover it. We'll see how they turn out. We'll rotate them a couple times to go find my tongs. Right, maybe not the most glamorous of camping meals, but we got some tamales, gas station queso, and some Doritos, and a Dr. P to wash it down with. We are blessed. Amen. I've definitely had worse. Well, guess I'll figure out where that lands on the scale when I wake up in the morning. It's officially like 8:50 p.m. Do some fishing in the morning, so I'm gonna get things wrapped up, cleaned up, wrapped up, hit the hay, and I'll get back with y'all in the morning and let y'all know how it went. Well, fam, temperature wise we slept great. Stomach wise, we had to get up a few times in the middle of the night, break in our bucket. So no more of that campfire Mexican food, I guess, unless I got a professional with me. Got me. All right, so we are at Monterey Ramp. We can go check some things out. But we seen a yacker out there. We're gonna go try to fish by him, see if he's hooking on anything. All right, first cast, Rayburn practice. Got away from the ramp a little bit. We're going to throw at these points a little bit, check the edges of them. I'm trying to make it a few miles down the lake, so this will be where I slow down these will be the only spots I slow down until I get to where I'm going. Big old gar or something right there. Catfish maybe. Guess it technically could be that, a bass. Or it could also be my bait. It ain't my bait. Get around that tree. Alright. We'll show you some practice catches, hopefully. That's me right in here. And there's fish there. Does gotta be small. I keep seeing bait. Yeah. I'm just crossing over, messing around. You can't get down there. First bite, Sam Rayburn. Woo, he's a good one too. All right, pull that. Of course, I don't have the net ready. All right, here we go. He is a good one. We'll check around, see if anybody's home watching. Oh man, this is a Saturday fish. I'm catching him on Thursday. Hot diggity dog. Oh, he got him too. All right. Well, I mean, dude, that's 17-ish. All right, bye, buddy. Ha. Right there off the end of that point. And it looks like there might be more where he came from. Let's go. Oops, minnow. There's one on there. On that seedling. I don't think he's a keeper though. What we got here? A gar. Gasper doo-doo. Kind of wish he'd come off. Kind of wish he'd come off. I wish he'd come off. Alright, I got it. I hate these things. He was big though. He gone. Go. This thing's jamming it up, dude. If I had proper insulation and hadn't been obstacle after obstacle getting this van build done, dude, I have no doubt. Solar panels up there. I would recommend a 300 amp battery or maybe even a 400 amp battery. Be the only deal. Sorry about the lights going out. Like I said, obstacle after obstacle. All my lights are battery operated in this van right now, so I'm trying to save them for the night. But I'm starting to feel a little bit better. Those tamales got me, dude. So thankfully I have some oranges, put some good sustenance and getting rehydrated. I think it'll be, I'm hoping I feel better. I mean, I'm really hoping I'll feel better. Like, I had high hopes for this. Maybe not like winning it or anything like that, but I wanted to have the full experience. You know, come out here, get a good practice, catch fish or no, just find out, explore the lake, you know. So, all right, y'all be good. We'll see y'all in the morning. I'm not cooking anything. This stomach, so I'm just going to eat what little oranges I got. And next time, hopefully, I'll have some GoPro up and going, and we'll have some fishing footage. All right, fam, it's now Sunday. Long story short, I missed a lot of recording, and I just wasn't feeling good. And I tried to soldier through as best as I could, but at the end of the day, I think I got some stomach bug or something. I'm still suffering for it, but yeah, it really stinks because I had taken PTO to give me 2 full days of practice. Didn't even fish the tournament. Practice, I might have been able to fish a total of 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Did find one good spot where I caught that first one, and I think it had potential to cash a check. 98 inches won it. I think 86, 85 inches was in the money. So I feel like I had at least that right there in a little 100-yard stretch of the lake. But it's all right. Face a little challenges. We get a shot at I'm gonna call it redemption in 2 weeks. Tackle Shack is also on Sam Rayburn, so hopefully we can do a lot better and be healthier for that one. But yeah, more fishing content coming, more van content coming. I'm AC guy, summertime, so content is hard to get at the moment until it starts to cool down and we slow down a little bit. But thanks for tuning in, man. Please give me a subscribe if you enjoyed it. So y'all have a good one.